Hello! Today I am showing you how to customize your notification bar icons in your LENOVO Tab E7. First of all, open your notification bar, then click into pencil right here, and then choose some icons, for example, to remove, like that. Tap and hold. And you can remove these icons from notification bar. If you want to add some, tap and hold and remove, for example, second position. And that's it. Click back to save it, and now your notification bar is customized. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.